Ever wondered how some organizations streamline their processes to deliver top-notch products efficiently? The secret often lies in lean methods and tools. In this video, we'll explore these concepts with real-world examples to show how they work in practice. Here's a quick summary of lean tools and real-life applications. 5S. Organize the workspace for efficiency. Great example is Toyota's spotless assembly lines. Kaizen. Encourage continuous incremental improvements. Think about all the small changes that saved Amazon millions in shipping. Kanban. Visualize workflow to enhance process management. Think how Trello manages tasks in software teams. Value stream mapping. Identify and eliminate waste in processes. Good example is Dell's streamlined manufacturing process. Just in time. Produce only what's needed when it's needed. Think McDonald's made-to-order approach. We'll delve deeper into each of these shortly. Now let's break down these tools one by one with practical examples to see how they can be applied effectively. The 5S methodology focuses on maintaining an organized and efficient workspace. Let's look at Toyota, a pioneer in lean manufacturing. Toyota's assembly lines are meticulously organized to ensure that every tool and part is in the right place. For instance, workers have shadow boards where each tool has a designated spot, reducing time wasted searching for items. Kaizen, which means continuous improvement, is all about making small changes over time for significant results. Amazon is a great example. Their warehouse workers proposed adding tables with adjustable heights, which reduced back strain and increased picking efficiency. These small changes, driven by employee feedback, contributed to millions in savings. Kanban uses visual tools like boards and cards to manage workflows. Trello, a project management tool, applies this principle in software development. Teams use Kanban boards with columns like To Do, In Progress, and Completed to track tasks. This transparency helps teams identify bottlenecks and prioritize effectively. Value stream mapping identifies waste in processes to improve efficiency. Dell revolutionized its production process by mapping out every step, from order placement to delivery. They discovered redundant steps in their supply chain and eliminated them, leading to faster order fulfillment and cost savings. JIT ensures that items are produced or procured just as they're needed. McDonald's applies JIT by preparing burgers only when an order is placed. This reduces food waste and ensures customers get fresh meals. However, this requires precise coordination between ordering, inventory, and preparation. These real-world examples show how lean methods can transform operations. Whether it's streamlining production lines at Toyota or enhancing customer experience at McDonald's, lean tools help organizations deliver value efficiently. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. Also, comment below with your own experiences using lean tools. I'd love to hear them.